Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre, the Daily Trader. It is March 15th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla is down $1.63. That's 0.97%, closed at 166.35. Post-market, we are down by 7 cents. So let's look at what this looks like on the chart. If we don't look at the chart, we have no idea what's happening. So we are still inside our downward channel. So we cannot break outside of it. We cannot break outside of it. We broke here. We broke here on May 11th outside of it. But we did not have stochastic over 60 to confirm that this was a valid break. So this was not a valid break. So guess what? The next day, we came down back into our downward channel. So this is the downward channel. It's there and it's still there. So today we have a red candle. Today we broke below 167.60. We have been above 167.60 for the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. And now this is weaker. Tesla is weaker because we stayed above, but now we just closed below. And we are right smack on our first downward support. Let's take a look at the 1-hour chart. So on the 1-hour chart, yeah, look at this here. We are bouncing right smack on our first channel resistance. At the first hour of the day right here, so we opened right above 167.60, came back down, then came even lower, as low as 165.02. So 165, let's say 165. And then we came back up and retested our downward resistance. We have two. We have this one. We have that one. Retested it. Look at this perfection. This is, if you don't believe in technical analysis after watching all of this, I don't know what you believe in. So came back down and look at this. We are bouncing on these two resistance. We are still above 165. Until we remain above 165, I think we should be okay. If we break below 165, then, we could be going a little bit lower. We don't have stochastic over 60. We don't have much force in that Tesla stock. Let's take a look at the indicators. So stochastic at 37, MACD still crossover bullish right here because of this move. RSI is not there. And did we lose? Yes, we just lost DMI. So DMI, we only had it bullish for a little while, a very, very short period of time. Let's take a look at some Tesla news. So we have this one right here. Tesla starts monitoring drivers for yawns and eye blinking. So Tesla is taking its driver monitoring to a whole new level. Green, a Tesla hacker known for revealing new features found in Tesla software, has discovered that the automaker is tracking other things like yawns and blinks. And this is including how many blinks and how long they were. All this to calculate how drowsy is the driver. I think this is great. If the car can see this, then we won't have to hold the wheel as much. Also, Tesla is looking at a potential significant investment in France, likely a factory, following CEO Elon Musk meeting with President Emmanuel Macron. So why not? This is good. Elon Musk says he wants to personally approve every new Tesla hire. I think he wants to manage the hiring to keep it under control and only hire exceptional individuals. So this is the actual email. No one can join Tesla even as a contractor until you receive my email approval. So it's an email approval. It's not, it's not a personal interview with everybody. He wants to keep costs under control, I am assuming. Tesla is being sued for limiting its car's battery capacity through software update. So Tesla is again facing a class action lawsuit for limiting the battery capacity inside its vehicle through a software update. So back in 2019, Electrek reported on several reports from Tesla owners about seeing significant drops in range from 12 to 30 miles following a software update. The charging speed was also greatly affected. When car owners purchase their vehicles, they reasonably expect that Unforeseen events like weather, accidents, or flat tires may impact the performance of their vehicles and lead to costly repairs, but no reasonable consumer would expect that the car manufacturer itself, through an automated system, would deliberately and significantly interfere with the car's performance through software updates that reduce the operating capacity of the vehicle. We'll see where this leads. I tend to agree that a software update that would decrease the battery range of a car I would buy, I would not like it too much because, I bought it considering that, it had a certain range. And if it decreases based on a software update, I would not be too fond of that. Let me know what you think about this. Let's take a look at the VIX a little bit. So VIX made a higher high, made a higher low, still below 1792. QQQ just inching a little bit higher, 1.76, 0.54%, great stochastic. Dow Jones going sideways. We are still in our bullish channel so far. Stochastic at 31. So this is still undecided. S&P 500 going sideways. Stochastic is zigzagging. Not much to say about this. Nasdaq Composite, look at this. Nasdaq Composite broke at 12,306. So this is now a support. Let's see until where it goes. And stochastic at 98. So super, super strong. So this should continue. Physical gold rebounding a little bit on 1566, but no stochastic yet. So this is hard to believe. Silver just a little bit higher, 1 cent. This looks like it's retesting this resistance right here. Stochastic is abysmal, so I don't expect this to come back up very soon. Bitcoin bouncing on 26,517 and is increasing. It's not there yet, but this is a good sign. Ripple just going sideways, stochastic very, very low. And US dollar having a pullback. This is a good pullback. You have this great green candle and we are pulling back 50% of it. So that's pretty reasonable. So let's see until where it goes. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.